What's up guys, 5 Orange here, and I want to talk about my APR performance spoiler, how much I paid, the right way to install it to get rid of wobble, and how it's been for me. Alright guys, so let's jump right in. This spoiler is like a $1,200 spoiler. As you can see, APR performance. This is a $1,200 spoiler, real carbon fiber, but I got this on eBay used for $300. $300. And the only thing wrong with it was that the previous owner had a bolt missing to mount it. And I just found that on eBay. I mean, not eBay, at Home Depot. I found a replacement bolt at Home Depot, and I was set to go. So yeah, $300 for this beautiful spoiler. This is the best looking spoiler that I've seen. The first time I saw this spoiler on S550, I knew I had to have it because it just fits this car so well. Now, installation. I had a big issue. Let's talk about this. I had a big issue with wobble. Whenever I would close the spoiler, look at that carbon. Whenever I would close the spoiler, I would have horrible wobble. Whenever I would drive over 40 miles an hour, I had horrible wobble. And apparently it's because I had it installed wrong, but because these bolts right here weren't long enough. They needed to reach past here, because I would just bolt it down to this little thin metal, and it was supposed to go all the way out here, and I was supposed to bolt it down to this, because there's this thick shell and a thin shell, which is what's painted. And I just had it bolted onto the thin painted shell. But yeah, after this, I've had no wobble, no issues. Look at this. Before, it would wobble for like 20 seconds of non-stop wobbling when I would close my trunk. And now, very firm. I have no issues when I'm driving, doesn't wobble at all. So that's the right way to bolt it. For anyone who's had issues with wobble with this wing, this is the right way to bolt it. Drilled through here, and then just bolt down with washers, holding it in place. Yeah, it's just 2 bolts there, 2 bolts here. Gives it a nice clean look. Now I had these holes here from the factory that I filled up myself with car bondo. This is just a temporary fix until I go to a body shop to get these professionally filled in and painted. But for now, it's not a bad job because I just did bondo and touch-up paint, and that's how I have that. You don't even know it's there until you really look at it. So I'm pretty happy with how it is until I take it to a body shop and get that done. But yeah, I just have bondo, touch-up paint, and then these bumper plugs for this one, since there was no way to reach that one. So yeah, pretty happy with how that looks. Gonna get that done eventually, one day, professionally done. But yeah guys, awesome looking spoiler. I think that's everything, but yeah, love the way it looks. Really happy with it. For $300, that might be the best steal for this spoiler. But yeah guys, like, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.